Yeah, right. I could have never gotten into Harvard, but with the mistakes I made in high school, I'm lucky I got into college at all. Not that that mattered because, of course, I dropped out of music school about a year and a half in. But that's what's led me to here and to today. The starting in poverty, eventually becoming successful in sales, and then failing again and going homeless, and then starting my first business, eventually getting into Airbnb as an additional way to make income. And now I can reach out to you through YouTube to teach you from my mistakes what I've done wrong. And that can help you grow. It hasn't been easy, but it's been my life, and I actually kind of love it. All of these opportunities that have been in my path have been disguised as something else, typically a problem or a circumstance that I got myself into where I was in too deep. This is where opportunity truly lies. It's where the intersection of survival and passion meet, because you have to fight to survive. If you're looking for a way through this, the only direction is forward. The only way is up, and the only person holding you back is yourself. Yes, it actually matters to me that you are successful. I know exactly what it's like to start with nothing, to have nothing, to go back to nothing, to struggle with nothing and being nobody. And it sucks so bad. So follow me on this journey. I will teach you everything I possibly can. I promise you, I'm going to do my best. Let me guide you, first in real estate, then in discipline, mindset, and life. Make you a better person through better opportunity. Because it's easier to be awesome when life is just a little bit easier, don't you think? My name's Sean Rakicic. This is Airbnb Automated. And welcome to the other side. All right, let's quit with the whole cinematic BS. Let's get to learning. Let me teach you how to use Airbnb to rent properties that you don't own and make millions of dollars a year, just like me. I've got a playlist. Let's start there. Welcome to Airbnb Automated.